country for myself, 'cause you're no one else's.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. This is actually a first on my channel, and you know how much I love first. Today's hair sponsor is Afsister or Afsister. What I have installed is a 12-inch 13x4 full lace frontal wig. So this is a full lace wig. For those of you who are not familiar with what the terms mean and the different terms mean, like frontal, frontal lace, frontal wig, full frontal, full lace, this particular wig, it means that everywhere on this unit can be parted. So everywhere on this wig has scalp-like hairs. It's all individually placed inside of the wig, so you can part it, you can do updos, you can actually make this wig into a braided wig because it has knots everywhere. It does have a simulated scalp as well underneath, so you don't need to do a ball cap. This is also HD lace as well. It's called invisible lace. The hairline comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked. It's ready to wear, so you can literally put it on your head and go.
Was running in circles, 'cause you made me lose my way. Now I'm so ungrateful. I'm sure she will help you, 'cause no, you can't help yourself. Goodbye, Mr. Painful. First help me love and then in your arms, then call and say she's the one. No, I'm not surprised. But really that it's different. But sure you don't got no feelings. Or maybe it's a fun for you. But baby, I'll be gone for good. Hope you know when I go silent, I'll never come back to your eyes. It's only gonna cost for you. 'Cause baby, I'll be gone for good. I'll be gone for good.
Because it is a full lace wig, you can part the wig anywhere and it's going to give scalp, as you can see, right? That's scalpage. All throughout the wig, you can part it and you have a scalp. So I am going to apply this wig glueless today, and you don't need a ball cap or anything like that. So I'm going to just adjust the straps right here. Just going to adjust those to make it fit a little bit more snug. You can see it has a fake scalp as well. So I just want to tint this lace right here to make it more believable. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna spray some ebon lace tint. And I'm finding where the combs are, so I'm gonna secure it. Because I'm wearing her glueless, I wanna make sure that that wig is not gonna fall off, and we're gonna do the shake test. We can make sure that that's good, but before we do that, let's put the hair back. We're gonna cut off some of this lace. So right where that is, we're gonna go ahead and cut. Okay, making sure my ear can sit comfortably. So that means I have to go in a little bit. Right, that's where my ear would sit naturally there. Still glueless, we love that. So you just gotta take your time when you're cutting around the ear tab area.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the.
And again, you can part this wig anywhere that you want. So if you're someone who likes an extremely deep part, you can. If you want to do half up on the bob, you definitely can. I'm just gonna run through it really quickly.
And finally care for yourself, you really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, I feel it, I feel it, ooh.
Look how far you can part this. You can have the deepest part ever. Okay, so I'm gonna straighten this side and then we're gonna come back and close off the video.
No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to the feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna.
A tiny bit of bio silk, literally a pea size.
Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it. Told me like 100 times out loud, 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 loud. Making me proud, 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 proud. 7 days a week.
And I'm just gonna go in with some really light mousse. I'll show you guys which one I'm using. I just want it to look very, very sleek. So this is the curl boosting mousse. It's in level 3 by Herbal Essence, and it's obviously not a curly wig, but that doesn't matter. Hair mousse doesn't know that the hair is curly or straight. So yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna just slightly clean up. I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of hairspray just to keep that hair in the direction that I want it to be in.
Work for bread. So cold, take it slow to lead. Hurts. Seductive when you look at me that way. Irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic. Making you wait is so erotic. Perks. And I want you to want me, yeah.
It's been a minute since I've done a black bob and I am here for it. It's bobbing. Now, let's do the shake test to see if it's gonna come off.
Crazy.
Didn't even move an inch. Still intact, and it is glueless. A glueless frontal wig. Baby, don't play with them. I love the fact that you can part this wig anywhere, you guys. You can literally part it anywhere you want. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. I think this is a beautiful wig. A lot of people are intimidated about frontal wigs because they don't even know what to do with it. This is a good beginner friendly wig, and you can handle it. Because look guys, you don't have to secure her. If you do want to secure her, it'll be just as easy as this. Spray, spray, spray. No different than your closure wig. You literally will just spray it here, and then just put it, because you can see it lays naturally flat. Anyways guys, those are my final thoughts for this unit. I love it. It is so cute, super easy to install. Love that. No bad smell, no tangling, no shedding. It's just a great wig. Overall, I'm really impressed. I'm gonna link it in the description box for you guys. Anyways guys, I've rambled on. I tried to end this video like 4 times and I got distracted with how beautiful it is. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you haven't done so already, and subscribe if you haven't done so you don't miss out on any future uploads or giveaways that I do, because I do them often. Anyways guys, bye. Thanks for watching.